word magic square, right? From exercise 2.1. So in a magic square, the sum of the number in each rows in each columns along the diagonals are same. Is this a magic square? Let us check. The rows like this and column like this vertically, right? So add these number. If you will get same number, that means this is a magic square, right? Now let us check. So it's like Sudoku. Solve the Sudoku in which is given in newspaper. Okay, it will increase your brain power. Now 492. If the denominator is same, no need to take LCM, right? I am writing first row plus 9 plus 2. Okay. If the denominators are same, no need to take LCM. Okay. Now 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is our sum of first number is 15 upon 11. Okay. Now check next row. 3, 5, 7. What is our answer? Simple. 15, right? Again 15 plus 11. Now what is our next? 8, 1, 9, 9, 6. Again 15. Oh my god. All rows sum is 15 upon 11. Now let us check column. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 7, 8, 15 again. 15 upon 11. Okay. Now 9, 5 and 1. Again 15 upon 11. The sum of 2, 7 and 6. What? Again 15 upon 11. Okay, that means this is a magic square. All the sums of column and rows is 15 upon 11. So it is very brainstorm. If you also make this type of question, this type of magic square, make one magic square and send it to my comment box. Okay. So I want to check that you have the capability of create this type of question or not. So send it to me fast.